Hi everyone, welcome back. So we are in week 9 and we are focused on setting this week. All of your work will be due by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, October 29th. So make sure you get things in on time. So what we have coming up this week, we took a couple weeks where we did peer review and revisions or creation, whatever you kind of decided to do there. Now we're going to go back to the format that we had a couple weeks ago. So you have a lecture on setting, a shorter lecture on the stories and the instructive texts. Your optional viewing for this week is called How to Write Setting Effectively. It's from a company called Reedsy, which helps authors. And it's a pretty short video. I recommend watching it. It's about 6-7 minutes long, somewhere in there. The readings for this week are The Gilded Six Bits, story by Zora Neale Hurston, and Harrison Bergeron, which some of you might have read before, but hopefully not from the perspective of an author. And we'll talk about what to look for in terms of setting in both of those stories. We also have our instructive text with the before and after look at a book that got changed quite a bit from its first draft to its second draft. So I know before we had a few things that were a little more subtle changes. This one's pretty drastic change. Then your assignments, the discussion forum where you'll be talking about those readings, and then your writing assignment on setting. So for this one, again, if you have a work in progress, you can take a scene or a chapter and work on adding details to the setting or revising. Maybe you want to set something in a different place and put it in a different location. You can do that too. There are then some prompts. You can do a world building sketch, kind of like we did a character sketch a couple weeks ago, for those of you who chose that option, where you're describing a physical location with a lot of detail and talking about the social setting, the length of time, the time period, those geographical details, all of that kind of thing. You can also write a story or a scene. There's a lot of different options for you, or you can do whatever you like as long as it features an intricately described setting. So that's it for this week. That's what's coming up, and I can't wait to see what you guys have to say about the stories and what you come up with for your own stories. Thanks, everybody.